I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. In this episode, we'll cook together halabissa. Halabissa, it's an Egyptian vegan street food soup. I'll start by adding 6 cups of water to a heavy bottom pan and bring it to a boil on high heat. I'm gonna add my vegetable bouillon. I like to use the low sodium and organic one and make sure it's a good quality. And stir until the bouillon has totally dissolved. This is a street food soup that you will find it almost at every corner on street carts in Cairo during winter time. It's spicy and hot, and usually it's served with tall glasses, and it's so delicious. It keeps your body and your soul warm. Now that my bouillon has almost dissolved, I will let the soup boil for a few minutes before I add the rest of my ingredients. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna lower the heat so it doesn't hurt my hands, and slowly I'm gonna add the chickpeas. This chickpeas, you soak dry chickpeas for overnight, at least 10 hours. And then you rinse it with tap water. And then I add my grated tomatoes, crushed garlic, tomato paste, cumin, some cayenne. If you want it ultra spicy, some red pepper flakes. I love the colors and I love the texture too, and I like the smoky flavor. Some sweet paprika for a nice reddish color, and salt and pepper. I would repeat, if your vegetable bouillon has a lot of sodium or high on sodium, be careful while you're adding your salt. Just add a tiny bit, taste and adjust. And black pepper, lemon juice. And now let the magic happen. Very simple ingredients will simmer together over medium-low heat, and we're gonna taste it and adjust the seasoning together. Just give it a stir, make everything is well incorporated. The liquid will reduce, the chickpeas will release its flavors, the spices will infuse the broth, and you're gonna end up with an excellent, easy, delicious vegan chickpea soup or drink. You let your soup boil for, I would say, 20 to 30 minutes or until the chickpeas is soft. So take one and try it. If it's soft enough for you, and this is something really relative and personal according to your preference, just turn off the heat and start serving your soup. My soup has been simmering for 25 minutes. I'm gonna take one chickpea to try. Perfect, cooked to perfection. It's not falling apart, but it's soft enough to enjoy. Serve it with some lemon wedges, and you're good. Try this recipe in your kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.